everyone, welcome to my video today. This video is going to be about my ePortfolio and the website I created to go along with it, which is right up here. This is my home page. It kind of gives an overview of what my website's going to be about, and it was created to show my work and dedication for my future job and future employment. It contains an About Me section, a sample of my work, my updated resume, and my blog link. I would like to use this website in the future so my future employers and future students/parents can look back at my work that I've done in the past and the future. When you scroll down, you get a fun fact about me. My name is Kylie Taylor. I'm 25. I'm originally from Kentucky, where I graduated high school in 2015. I'm currently working towards my bachelor's in elementary education at the University of South Florida, and I got my AA degree from the College of Central Florida. I really enjoyed reading, doing crafts, and all animals. My favorite subject in school was English and science, so I plan to make those subjects as fun as possible. I have two cats named Bam and Jinx, who are always at the center of my life. This right here is Jinx, this is me, and this is my cat Bam. I'm hoping to teach any grade from kindergarten to third grade, hopefully first grade, and maybe one day travel abroad and teach English in another country. I knew I wanted to be a teacher since I was a junior in high school when I got to be a peer tutor, which is a student who helped other students with classwork and everyday tasks. Getting to have a special bond with those students made me realize that this is what I wanted to do. At the About Me tab is just an example of like my future lesson plans and what I plan on teaching in the classroom. Right here it says your child will be learning basic math, English, literature, science, social studies, and a soft introduction to technology. Because of young children, I don't want to do a deep dive into technology, but I want to introduce them to it. And when you continue scrolling, you can see the different sections I have set up for language and literacy, math, science, social studies, and I even have a small section for technology where it says how I'll be introducing them, like how to use an iPad or a computer, and basic safety when they are on a computer without an adult. And if you scroll down a little more, it's just rules I have set up for my future classroom. Um, just no bullying, I'm very laid back, and I assign reading assignments. This is from an old lesson plan I created. When you go to my resume tab, you can see my current updated resume, which just shows my education, my skills, my achievements, and all of my experience. And my blog link tab will take you to my blog link. It's about technology for leading and learning. I always update it with new technology information that I'm learning and I think people would like to know. And that is my website. Thank you guys for watching.